the shadows creep. A little grape dreamed of a daring leap, past the leaves and the garden gate. Join the quest for the great escape, rolling fast down a leafy hill, dodging roots with a grape-sized thrill. Through the carrots and cabbage rows, where the breeze like a whisper blows. Grape escape, what will you find? Secrets of the garden, wild and kind. Round and plump, or dry by the sun, adventure calls, the race has begun. In the garden's heart, a raisin speaks. Once I was plump, now I'm sleek, drying high in the sunny air. A wrinkled coat, but a sweet flair. Grape escape, what will you find? Secrets of the garden, wild and kind. Round and plump, or dry by the sun, adventure calls, the race has begun. He meets a juice box, purple inside. Your flavor's a gift, take it with pride. Then a jam jar chime, you're a treat to spread on toast at dawn or a biscuit bed. Now the grape sees with wonder bright, every form holds a special light. From juicy snacks to a wrinkled grin, the grape's escape found the magic within. Grape escape, what did you find? Secrets of the garden, sweet and kind. From vine to raisin, juice and jam, a grape's adventure, part of the plan. So next time you see a grape, just know its journey is vast, where flavors grow. Round or wrinkled, its story's great. A juicy